Soltech sent me their 6x10 magnetic hoop from my brother NQ1700E, and today I want to see if it actually makes hooping easier. If you have embroidered with hoodies or crew necks, then you already know hooping can be one of the most hardest part of the process. Right out the box, the first thing that I noticed was the build quality. It feels solid, so not cheap, not flimsy, just well made. And the magnets that come with them are very strong. Once they snap together, the fabric isn't going anywhere. One thing that I thought was helpful was Soltech includes a manual with different hooping methods for different fabric types, because not every garment behaves the same, so a lightweight t-shirt will behave differently than a hoodie or a crew neck. So for this test, I'm going to follow the recommended setup and see how it performs. Now let's get it installed on the machine. The setup was actually pretty straightforward. It fits into my Brother NQ1700E just like a standard hoop. I wanted to compare it to the hoop that came with the machine. With a traditional hoop, you're loosening it, positioning the garment. With a magnetic hoop, it's much simpler. Place the garment, make your adjustments, and let the magnets do the work. Especially on thicker garments, that's where I noticed the biggest difference. Now let's hoop up this crew neck. This is usually where I spend most of my time, making sure everything is lined up correctly. But what I noticed right away was how easy it was to reposition the fabric. So far, everything looks good. There's no shifting, and the fabric is staying exactly where it should be. This is the final look. The stitching looks very clean, the placement looks good, and the crew neck stayed secured throughout the entire embroidery process. I would say overall, I can definitely see why magnetic hoops are becoming more popular, especially with home embroidery machines. I just want to say thank you to Soltech for sending this over for me to test. Let me know in the comments, have you tried a magnetic hoop before, or are you still using the standard setup?